Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to review some garage storage. So you could put all sorts in it, like little screws, accessories, whatever you want to store, you could put on it. So I bought it from Amazon. I'll put the price down below in the description. It comes really well packaged. There's all the 2 different sized tubs. Right, let's get it open and let's have a look at it properly, shall we? This should be a nice bit of storage and very handy to have. There's the little trays. Feel really good quality, really strong. It's good. There's the backing for it where they hook onto. That does feel a little bit plasticky, but it'll be absolutely fine. So there's all sorts of different sizes and 2 different sizes. There's the roll plugs and screws. There's the instructions. Really good diagrams, just very simple. You just work out your height, mark it off, basically just screw it. With 4 mounting points. Yeah, really impressive. So you can either put them together as one big one, or you have 2 separate ones if you want to put it in two places. Really good. That's where it hooks onto. There's slots running all the way down it, so you can just do it to whatever you want. There's the back, same with the back there. That's what I was telling you about. Simply just goes on that. Really, really happy with it. If you want a bit extra room, you don't have to use all of them, which is good. There we are. So just showing you now. That's just a rough idea of what configuration you can put them in. Or you could do something like that. Just people trial and error and whatever works for you, really. But for the price, you can't complain. You can store them inside each other if you wanted to. Now it's in the garage, look at that. Decided to put mine all together in the corner. Looks really well, really happy with it.